we'll guide you through how to disable Google Drive on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. From there, select Settings to enter the main settings page. Now, you need to navigate to the Manage Apps section on the left-hand side. This is where you'll manage any apps connected to Google Drive. Scroll down to find the apps you no longer want to have access to your Drive. Next to each app, there's an option to Disconnect from Drive. Click on this for the apps you wish to disable. This action will remove their access to your Drive files. If you're looking to stop Google Drive from syncing files on your desktop, you'll need to also take a few more steps. On your computer, open Backup and Sync from Google, which is usually found in your system tray or menu bar. Click the three-dot menu and select Preferences. Here, you can simply uncheck the folders you don't want to sync by clicking on My Computer and unchecking the folders listed. To completely stop syncing, go back to the Preferences menu and click on Settings. Then, select Disconnect Account or Quit Backup and Sync, depending on your version. This will stop Google Drive from syncing files on your desktop without affecting your online account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.